Hello, welcome to the ninth video tutorial of Code Beginners. So guys, I'm going to tell you that now you are enough smart that you can make your own profile. Well, believe it or not, you can make your own profile using HTML. You can tell people about yourself like that, like this. You can attach your profile picture, you can write your info like this, and we are going to make the same page, and I'm gonna tell you that how can you make a profile like that. Okay, so now you are pro, so I would like to tell you that now we will switch from notepad to sublime text. Now we for from now we will use sublime text. Okay, sublime text 2. So for that purpose you just require to go to Google, and you are required to write sublime text. Then you will get the very first link. You are required to click on that, and when it will open, then you are simply required to download it, and it's quite easy to download it. Okay, so download for Windows, I already have it, so you can download it from here. Okay, so let's get started with sublime text. First of all, I would like to remove this. So go to file, new file, and then untitled. Whatever you will write here will replace with the tab name. So okay, so press enter and leave this very first line. Okay, so our file type is doc type HTML file, so we have to specify that. All right, and then we are required to write HTML tag, like you know. If you don't know, I will refer you to visit my channel on YouTube and to watch my previous videos. Okay, so we are required to close this HTML tag, and then we are required to write a body tag and then to close it. All right, so it's better that you would save it, so that the sublime text become to know that this file type is HTML. So save as we will save it here, index.html. Okay, so save it. Now you can see the color has been changed, so it will be more visible like that. So let's see what we are going to make. Okay, so we want to make a file like this. So first of all, we are required a header. Okay, so we will write a header here, h1, then to close it, h1. All right, so after that we are required to write here profile picture. It will appear in the black color. So let's say I would like to change the color of this profile picture. So let's save it save it This is I mean, you can purchase this sublime text. I have a other version. I have a unlicensed version. So for now, let's save it. Okay, so it is saved, and here you come, and let's run index. You can see that we are here with this profile picture. Let's say I want to change the color of this profile picture. Okay, for that purpose I will write here style. I have already tell you about this style tag inside the tag in previous videos. Okay, so you are required to write here color. Let's say blue. Okay, so if you save this, and now refresh it, you can see that. Okay, So let's say I want to attach a picture, profile picture, and for that purpose, let's search Mark Zuckerberg. Here it is. So go to images, and I like this one. Okay, the very cute smile here from Mark Zuckerberg. I like him. He is the best, I can say. Anyways, right here the image tag, you can see that it appears here. Then close this image tag with that slash, and you are required to paste here. Okay, so now let's save it quickly. Now if we refresh the page, you can see that we have our image right here. Okay, so what are we required to do next? Mark Zuckerberg. Okay, so we should write here header to h2. Okay, so inside this we will write Mark Zuckerberg. All right, so let's save it and see what happens. Okay, you can see that Mark Zuckerberg appears. All right, so after that we are required to write these unordered list. Okay, and inside this we are required to order list. All right, so let's do it. So now we will write here ul tags, all right. So inside it I am required to write an li tag, and here I am required to write bio. Okay, so inside bio I am required to write a paragraph. Okay, so inside this paragraph I will write hello, I am Mark Zuckerberg, and I am the founder of Facebook. Okay, so this is enough. So let's say save it and see that it appears here. So let's say I want to make Mark Zuckerberg bold. So for that purpose, I will do a simple thing. I will write here strong tags against Mark Zuckerberg. So I will close that Mark Zuckerberg inside these strong tags. All right. So let's save it and see what happens if we refresh it. You can see that Mark Zuckerberg appears as a strong. Okay, so it becomes bold. All right. So let's move towards the next point. Let's say I want to make this bio as I want to change its color. So I will write here color purple. All right. I will assign here the color as purple, and I have done it. All right. So let's refresh it, and here you can see that the color is purple now. Okay, so let's see what is the next requirement. You are required to write interests, occupation, websites, favorite books, more. All right, so let's write it. So I will like to copy that so that we may able to do it quickly. Copy this. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need a fifth one. Just change the names. Okay. So let's write here interests, and the next is occupation. I think occupation, and the next one is, let's see, with this. So let's see occupation, websites, favorite books, and here occupation and now websites. Alright, so now favorite books, favorite books, and under here, uh, born. Okay, so if we save it, if we refresh this, you can see that all these things appear here, but we are required to write inside here because we are required to make an order list, and then to write this thing. All right. So let's do it. So inside this interest, I would like to make an order list, and then to close that order list. Okay. So now what we are required to do, we are required to write here li tags, and inside here we will write the book reading, and then we are required to write another li tag, and then we will write here Q and A session on Facebook. Okay, so occupation, we are required to write do the same thing for this. Okay, so let's write li tag, and now we will write here programmer, and the next thing another li tag, and we are required to here internet enter new. All right, so let's come to the websites. We all know that sorry, I forgot to do one thing, that I forgot to close this with OL tags. OL basically the order list tag. So make sure that you will close it with order list. Alright. So now do it for the websites OL. Then you are required to write here li tags, and then inside I will write Facebook, and then the li tags again, and then I will write internet dot org. Okay, so again I will do favorite books, OL tags, and now li tags, and we will write here uh, the Fatima is favorite book. The next is Sabine. Okay, leave it. Just keep it. Just keep two books. Okay. So when he was born, let's write it in a paragraph, in the form of paragraph. So I don't need here, you know, an order list. So I'll close it. Let's write here May 14, 1984. His age is 31. Okay. So I'm quite done here. Okay. So let's save it. Go. Sorry, I'm going my Firefox, and you can see that. And now refresh this, and now you can see that you are done. Not Facebook, but this is a profile of your own. So you have created that successfully. And thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you like the video. Thanks for watching.